Hello, dear future homeowner. Celine here, licensed real estate broker. And for today's video, I will be showing you one of the 3 houses that will be turned over this first quarter of 2025. So New Year, New Home ang aking Japan-based client. And yes, from Japan ulit, kagaya ng video ko kahapon, but this time, Melcon model naman ang kinuha ng isang client ko here in Madonna Residences located in Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. So right now, we have 50 to 60 families na ang nakalipat dito according sa ating mga engineers. And lahat ng mga nakabili dito, they agree na ang ganda sobra ng location dito sa Madonna since malapit sa lahat as in literal. Unang-una na ang mga fast food at restaurants, supermarkets and malls, hospitals, churches and schools, banks, government offices, gasoline stations, and more. Plus, sinisimula na rin ang ating amenity area so hopefully matapos siya kaagad para ma-enjoy na ng ating mga homeowners. Most of my clients are OFWs and they find it convenient na fully furnished na ang bahay so personal stuff and decors and mattress na lang ang kailangan nilang bilhin para makalipat sila kasi appliances and furnitures are already included in the house and lot package. If interested, message us so we can assist you better and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts.